Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of golden text design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. It means that you can change the text anytime you want. By the way, you can download the complete project file from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely free. So hit the subscribe button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create a new document. As always, I am going with the size of 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. Make sure your background has a dark color or maybe black color. Pick your type tool, click inside the canvas and type your text. I want to type in golden. Press Ctrl Enter to confirm it. Pick the move tool. Click on these three dots and change this option to canvas. Now click on align horizontal center and align vertical center. It will align the selected layer perfectly into the center. Now right click on this layer and choose blending option. In the layer style menu, click on gradient overlay. Click here to edit the gradient. Select this black and white gradient. Select the white point and change its color to a dark brown color, just like this. Now select this point and change its color to a bright yellowish color. Hit OK. Hit OK again. And make sure the style is reflected. Now click on bevel and emboss. Style is inner bevel, technique is smooth, depth is 420%, size is 40 pixel, angle is 45, altitude is also 45. Click on this drop down menu and select this preset. Make sure this anti-aliased option is checked. Highlight mode is screen, color is white and the opacity is 100%. Shadow mode is multiply, the color is black and opacity is 70%. Now click on outer glow. Blend mode is screen, opacity is 15%, pick a bright yellowish color. Size is 80 pixels and the range is 100%. Hit OK. Now for the sparkle, let's create new layer. Pick the brush tool, right click inside the canvas, click on this gear icon and choose legacy brushes. And then hit OK. A new folder will appear. Open this folder. Select this folder and open it. And select this brush. Now you can create bright flares just by clicking on the brightest area of the text. Let's create a curved adjustment layer on top of everything and increase its brightness just a bit. And now it is done. You can also change the text. Just double click on this layer and from here you can change the text. Now of course you need to recreate the flares because the text has been changed. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.